Hello everyone. Today we will do study about the first division of plant kingdom, that is algae. Today we will see some common features of the algae with the uses of algae, how algae useful for the human beings. So come to the some common features about the algae. algae के common features जो इसे सबसे simplest plant group में रखते हैं, because it's a simplest plant group where no body differentiated into root, stem and leaves. algae की body न तो उसमें roots होते हैं, ना stem ना leaves. It's whole algae, whole plant body is just like leaf-like, flat leaf-like structure. Algae are the simple autotrophic thalloid chlorophyll bearing plants. Autotrophs because algae can make their food by the presence of chlorophyll, comes under the autotrophic plants. Shape and size of the algae are variable. algae के जो body है वो different shape and size के हैं. Some are unicellular, some are filamentous structure, some live in colonial form. If we see here in Chlamydomonas structure, Chlamydomonas are microscopic unicellular, माइक्रोस्कोपिक एंड मेड अप ऑफ सिंगल सेल, केवल एक सेल की बॉडी प्रेजेंट है इस क्लेमाडोमोनस में. फिलामेंटस में अगर हम देखें, फिलामेंटस फॉर्म बाय फाउंड इन यूलोथ्रिक्स एंड colonial form, a group of the algae together in the colonial form. Example will be volvox. Now some branched form, Phyllophora and Rhodymania. Laminaria, leaf-like, whole body, and in fucus some branches found here in fucus. So algae body are variable and shape and size variable from unicellular to multicellular structure. Some are getting some height in some feet in the brown algae. Some algae got some 100 feet, a height of the 100 feet. Now to the reproduction. Three types of reproduction found: vegetative reproduction, asexual and sexual reproduction. In vegetative reproduction, by the fragmentation, algae body divides into different fragments and each fragments develop into a new plant. In asexual reproduction, zoospores formation, by the zoospores formation which are motile, flagellated. So these zoospores reproduce into new plants, have flagella presents which help in movement. Come to the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction by the fusion of the gametes. Three types of gametes found in algae. Gametes are of isogamous, anisogamous, ogamous. In isogamous, male and female gametes are of similar size. In anisogamous, male and female gametes are of dissimilar size. Different size of will be of male and female gametes. In ogamous, female gametes will be larger and non-motile, and male gamete will be motile and smaller than the female gametes. असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन जूस्पोर से होगा, सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन गैमेट्स के फ्यूजन से होगा, एंड वेजिटेटिव रिप्रोडक्शन फ्रैगमेंटेशन से, बॉडी फ्रैगमेंट्स में डिवाइड हो जाएगी और वहां न्यू प्लांट्स में डेवलप हो जाएगा. algae यूजफुल कैसे है ह्यूमन बींग्स के लिए? तो अबाउट 50% ऑफ द CO2 प्रेजेंट ऑन द अर्थ फिक्स बाय द algae, fix half of the total CO2 present on the earth. By algae increase the, and by the photosynthesis process increase the level of the dissolved O2, increase the level of dissolved O2 in aquatic medium mostly, because found in aquatic medium, so dissolved O2 level increased by the algae. Algae is the primary producer of the एक्वेटिक, प्राइमरी एक्वेटिक मीडियम के लिए जो वहां फूड साइकिल है एनिमल्स का, एनिमल्स के फूड साइकिल में algae act as primary producer which make food for the next level, different trophic levels. Algae shows association with the fungi, symbiotic association with the fungi and form lichens. What symbiotic association क्या होता है? जिसमें जो दो पार्टनर्स होते हैं एक दूसरे की हेल्प से एक दूसरे के लिविंग के लिए, लिविंग में एग्जिस्टेंस में हेल्प करते हैं. Algae making food for the fungi and fungi provide shelter to the algae and form group of this form a new form lichen. Next, come to the some unicellular algae are rich in protein and provide the protein rich food supplement to some space traveler. Example of the chlorella and spirulina used as, because these algae are rich in protein and space travelers इसको food supplement की तरह use करते हैं. Some marine algae provide nutrients. So about 70% of the marine algae used as food. Agar, a commercial product obtained from the algae, from the Gillidium and Gracilaria, which are used in making ice cream and in jellies. So algae are too much helpful for the human beings. Here some green algae, brown algae and red algae diagrams, because due to the presence of the pigments, algae comes under the three groups. Green algae comes under the chlorophyceae, red algae comes under the rhodophyceae, and brown algae, laminaria and fucus are the example of brown algae, comes under the Phaeophyceae. We will do study in the next section about the green algae, brown algae and red algae. I hope you understand today's topic. Thank you.